Hello, I'm David from Apple Tips, and today I have a Nokia on my table. You might ask me why. It's because I'm going to show you something that I only appreciate about Nokia. And this is, wait for it, repairability. In this video, we're going to tear down this device. Let's get to work. First we start out by removing the back plate, then the battery, and then the first Torx 3 screw. Then, with one of those plastic picks, we're going to insert it here. Remove that, and then in here, remove this as well. We remove the front plate here, which contains the buttons that we're going to go here, and the front plate itself. In this case, I have a silver version. We have some more Torx screw. Then we're going to remove these covers here. This one is under the motherboard, but now let's remove the motherboard's bracket, the display, and the motherboard itself. Here's the motherboard itself, the other bracket here. Then we have this part. And this was pretty much it.
Now you see the time-lapse of reassembling the device, even though this time-lapse wasn't necessary because it's really easy and fast to reassemble it. I thought not to consume too much time and do it as a time-lapse.
Okay, after that time-lapse, now the device should be powering on. Yes, it powers on. That was a quick reassembling of the device. You have saw the teardown of the Nokia 2730 Classic. As a bonus for this video, here will be a little snake gameplay.